Hey everybody. So today we're going to talk about Apple stock. But before we get started, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. So I'm going to be real brief, but I'm going to talk about what in the world is going on with Apple stock. So if you're an Apple, you notice that it's going down. It was like 193 um, just not too long ago. And now it's at 179. So that's a drop, right? So Apple lost $275 billion in market value. It is fallen for the fifth straight session. So people are selling off. They sold off right after earnings on Thursday. And when people sell off, the result is goes down. So what's going on with Apple? So according to the articles, people are not buying iPhones. They didn't meet their earnings. People are not buying as many iPhones. iPhone revenue is not what they expected it to be. The other thing is related to management, right? So, in spite of this news that Apple is down, the stock is still up more than 37% this year, if you just look at the whole year. So, within 1 week, it went down from 193 to 179, and it was noticeable. But looking at the whole year, it's still up more than 37%. So I'm sure you guys already know the difference between trading and investing. Some people are trading, some people are investing, some people are doing both. So your long-term investors, really you could just invest and don't look at it again, because in the long run, you're going to have more money in there than where you started. Long-term investors. With the traders, however, what's going on with the traders? Some people lost money, but they do have another game, right? For trading, this is like a game. So trading is for people who you have money to play with, because you lose money in trading. So you lose money, then you might gain some money, then you might lose money. So trading is more for uh, people who have money to play with, like you don't mind losing money. um, so as far as trading goes, because of what's happening with Apple, like they didn't meet their earnings and the stock is down, that means that some of the traders lost money. However, with this earnings call, what other people are doing, what other traders are doing, they're actually listening in on this earnings call. They're on this earnings call to see how Apple is doing. And the minute they find out it's not doing well, they sell. So I thought that was interesting. They're not just waiting and seeing what's going to happen. They are more proactive, like on an earnings call, see what's going on with this company. And if it's not doing well, sell it right after earnings. So that's for the traders. So you got the traders over here willing to lose money. And then you got your long-term investors, which is building wealth, right? Some are traders, some are long-term investors, and then some do both, right? So this is what's going on with Apple stock. It's not doing too well right now. So if you're a long-term investor, you'll be fine. And then the traders, they're just familiar with this game of losing money and gaining money, losing, gaining, losing, gaining, right? So that's what's going on with the Apple stock. So I did see something else that I thought was interesting. Did you guys see that ad that the it was ex CIA agent. He has an ad up on YouTube, and he's trying to sell gold. Did anybody see that ad? It's an ex CIA agent. So he says that he knows something on the inside about what's getting ready to happen with money, and he's essentially trying to sell gold. Anybody see that? So, you know this whole thing about the money moving to digital money, right? So some people believe that that will happen. Other people don't believe that it happens, that it will happen. So regardless of whatever happens, safest thing is to diversify, which you know already. I just want to bring it up. So, for example, if you buy real estate, it doesn't matter what the currency is. Real estate, they can pay you in these digital assets. They can pay you in Bitcoin. They can pay you whatever the currency is. You know. So having your real estate, and then if you're interested in buying gold, that's what they're trying to sell you right now, because um, we're supposed to be moving to these digital currency instead of having dollar bills. So we'll see what happens, but diversifying is always the best option. So you got your long-term investing in stock market, you got your real estate, you got your creating your own businesses and or buying businesses. And if you're interested in buying gold, um, that's what some people are doing. So just a little reminder. I know you know it already, but that is a way of protecting yourself by diversifying, right? All right. So that is what is going on with Apple. So do me a favor, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Also, leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your night.